Boris. Boris. I have to go to DMV. The Division of Motor Vehicles. Huh? I cannot hear you. Are you alive?
Oh, early morning with. This is different world. I think I'm wrong address. I think I need to go back, look for other door. Are you ready?
Forget my driver's license.
Good, I can see. I need to wash my face.
I got to get out of here.
Okay, Vladimir, go sign and legislate this paper so we can carry on. Remember Drago, the car seller?
Massachusetts. Who bought this car?
Well, how can I say it? It comes from Drago.
You mean this is my true independence now?
Yes, Vladimir, the time has come and your training is over. You are now soldier of Carpool Assistance World. Oh, there's something bugging me. I think... Ooh, that was it. You will conquer your own carpool lane with your own carpool assistance. Bring your new experience in your life, and then you go one step further and one level up in this world, which is, an incredible journey.
Where do I sign? Just give me car. Where do I sign? Right here. Where is my name?